I'm out here in the morning garden. It's evening time now. I got my containers going. All of you can see there. You look over here. You see the garden, the walk spaces, fruit trees. Look at these peaches over there. Wait a minute. Let's see if I can see. Get up in here. Look at this. Some of them are hit by bugs bad. Like this one here. Wow. That's getting kind of soft. Let's see what we got here. We got some up in here. The peaches. I like the color of them. There's some over there. There's some over there. And some small ones up there. This tree is about 4 years old. Got me some collard greens going there in containers. I just got them there for seeds. And there you got the potatoes. Still going strong. Look at these should almost be ready. Yeah, these are ready. Alright. Corn grown together. Corn, and that's some of the first corn I planted. And then we got some corn here. And we got a little bug on it. Trying to get himself a meal. Not many bug bites. Squash. Okra. Walkway. All right. This is the morning garden.